You are welcome to my channel. This is Kevin Davis Accounting. So today I would like us to begin a new topic, our series on partnership accounts. So we are going to look at partnership accounts. So a partnership, of course, this is where two or more people come together to form a business with an aim or with a view of making a profit. So usually these people, before they come up with a business, they always have a guideline, something they used to follow, or what they call a partnership deed. It puts down all the items that are supposed to be included within the partnership. For example, it talks about the name of the partnership. Now, I'm going to leave much of the managerial kind of work or the theoretical bit of the partnership accounts, and I want to tackle more of the accounting bit now. So when it comes to the partnership accounts, now remember partnership, I've said this is where two or more people come together with a view of making profits. So they start up a business. So remember we looked at the final accounts of the sole trader. So right here we're going to look at a partnership as a whole. So that means when it comes to partnership business, we shall have components that will be put in a partnership deed. So here, for example, these are people who are bringing capital together. Now, since they are bringing the capital, it will have shares or there will be profit sharing ratios. Now, one of the things that we shall look at is the profit or loss sharing ratio. So, usually, they distribute the first. For example, someone brought a certain amount of money. When it comes to the profits, this person must get an actual amount of money based on the ratio in which they have agreed in the deed. Then we can also have interest on drawings. Interest on drawings. Now, interest on drawings, for example, if a partner comes to the business and draws some amount of money, when this partner is actually bringing back this amount of money, he or she has to pay a certain interest. And now that means this interest on drawings, of course, sometimes it's given as a percentage. For example, they will give you the drawings, and then if a partner will give this amount of money, that means this partner must bring back this amount of money based on the percentage they've given us. So we have to look at the interest on drawings. Also, we have interest on capital. Interest on capital. Of course, now, just like here, interest on drawings, they are going into the partnership. Now, interest on capital, actually, this time it's the partner who's receiving. Whereas here, interest on drawings, the partner is the one paying back to the partnership. But interest on capital, remember, the partner has put money into the business. Now, this capital the partner has put money into the business, it has to generate a certain interest. Now, this interest sometimes is also expressed as a percentage. So they might say there will be a 5% interest on capital per annum. So that means you go to the amount of capital a certain partner put into the business, and then you charge that percentage of interest on capital. We shall see more about this. Then, I'd like to talk about what they call the partners' salary. Now, we can have a salary to the partners. Usually, one or two partners might be liable to the salary. Sometimes not all partners. This goes to the active partners, the partners who are being involved in the day-to-day running of the business. So sometimes these people always receive a certain salary. So also this now we shall look at it as well. Otherwise, I'm going to look quite at a number of things when it comes to partnerships. So these are the things that I want to focus on, especially for the accounting basis. But then also, Just like we looked at the final accounts of a sole trader, I'm going to look at the final accounts. I'm going to look at the final accounts of a partnership. And so, in my next video, this is what I'm going to look at and how we are going to prepare the final accounts of a partnership. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. This is Kevin Davis Accounting. Subscribe to my channel. Refer to your friends so that they can also have a benefit. Until we meet again, it's a bye for now.